I fold the morning into paper thin, a graceful sunrise, a line for wind. Your wings are soft and gentle, a tiny bird is what you are. Ooh, origami bird, fly free between my fingers into the wind. Folded in your heart form, teach my heart your paper song. You don't need feathers to feel the air, just a crease of open quiet